guys, I know it's a really late start to the vlog, but it's 10:33 AM. Got these lights on again because I want my lighting to stay the same in every footage I've got on my video. So if you follow me on Snapchat and if you follow me on here obviously, you'd be getting behind the scenes of this video, but I'm not sure if I can get it up this weekend. That's what's really annoyed me, because I really want to get it up this weekend, so I'm going to try to do my best today to get everything finished. But I also need my mum's help, but she's asleep right now, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to let her sleep because she needs her sleep, but I don't know what I'm going to do because I really need her help on one of them. But yeah, I'm carrying on with this footage again, this video again, so it's like, to all of that. But I don't think you even saw any of that. But I've got 3 of them done out of 9 things. Can you guess what I'm doing? But I'm really hoping that I can get this all done today so that I can start editing it tonight. Because I feel like I'm going to get it all done today if I start doing it now. So, I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog, and I've been enjoying being on my vlogging game at the moment. Have you noticed? I've managed to edit it, upload, done. I'm on this vlogging game at the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna carry on filming, so I'll probably see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it's now 12:21, and everybody's sorting out the garden for tonight because we're doing fireworks. But I'm trying to get my stuff done, filming now, because the fireworks are gonna be really loud, and it's gonna keep making me jump. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. This has just had to go in the bin to squish things down. My dad's going to be going to the dump in a minute. So yeah, I don't know how much I can film today, but hopefully I can get this done. So I'm fingers crossed that I can get all the filming done today, so I can just start editing it tonight and tomorrow. Oh no, hopefully I can get all the editing done tonight, so yeah. Now 1:53, so I haven't vlogged much, but I'm getting through these quite quick now, and I'm really happy with it. I'm taking my time on them though, and I'm taking my time on them and making sure they're correct. I'm now on, I think, my 4th thing I'm doing, or 5th, I'm not sure. But I've done a lot, and I'm really happy about it. But I don't know if it's going to be up this weekend, or it might be up next week. I don't know. I'm fingers crossed I get this all done today, then I can start filming the second half of it. This is just the first part. I've been doing this for the past 2 days, now 3 days, because I'm doing it today as well. But it's going really well so far, so I really hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. So I haven't vlogged much, but I'm going to try vlog some more, because later on we're doing some fireworks, so I'll try vlog that, but I'll obviously try block out the sound, because it's going to be really loud otherwise. But I'll play some awesome music with it. But I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So I've stopped filming for the moment, but I'm getting quite far. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4. Done about 4 of them now. I don't know if you guys can guess what I'm doing. Okay, there's one. It doesn't look pretty good on there, but I haven't like stuck anything down yet. But my battery's exhausted once again, so I can't film till Mum gets home because she's getting some batteries for me. But I think I'm gonna be able to get this up by tomorrow, because I think I'm gonna edit it tonight, like all of it tonight. Then if I have to film any more tomorrow, I'll do that. Edit that, and then oh no, because I have to because I still have to film the second part. But I feel like filming is going really good so far. Like I feel like I've gotten a lot done. I'm really happy with it. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this. Like I feel like I've done really good. Like I'm really happy with it. Like unbelievably happy. I did have to cut one out though because I didn't get the material for that. I was really upset by it. So I really want to do that one. I think that one was pretty cool. I don't want to say what the video is, but I think you guys could have guessed already what it is already. Like I'm having so much fun filming this, but I do need someone to help me film. But I'm not allowed to bring my friend around because of she's busy at the moment. I think she's busy this weekend. My sisters are like in the mood, I think, I don't know, but they don't want to hang around with me because they've just gotten back from Crowborough, and I'm just upset because I really need to film this, so I'll probably be filming by myself, so I don't think there's going to be any cool like filming part in that. It's just going to be still, but hopefully I can get one of them to help me film, fingers crossed. But yeah, I think I've almost actually finished doing all these. Yay! It's taken me 3 days to film this. So it's like, this is my little setup here. Can you guess what I'm doing? I've taken the camera off for a minute. So I'm waiting for my mum to get back. But I think I'm going to go outside for a bit. So yeah, probably see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I've kind of like effed up on the glue gun. It's kind of just leaked out that part and it's not supposed to, so I don't know what to do. I've rang my sister, she's going to be coming up in a minute to help me, but I've almost finished filming, so I've got to do the second half of it. So yeah, it's getting there. So I haven't vlogged most of the day, so I'm really hard. It's now 4:53, but there's going to be fireworks later, so I'll be definitely recording that and with people's, fingers crossed, if I remember. But yeah, so I really hope you guys are enjoying this vlog and the behind the scenes as well. So I love you guys, and I want to thank you for watching, but still going through this vlog. I just want to thank you guys. vlog, but it's now 1:35 in the morning. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I did go to Bonfire night, but I didn't vlog there, but I kind of vlogged the parade, and I took a lot of photos, so I'm going to be like adding them into this vlog. But I'm at home now, just watching the same theory on that. I'm editing. Say hello to the camera. I'm just like trying to add some stuff in before uploading this. I've still got to edit the thumbnail for it, but like, it's 1 in the morning. I'm like super tired, but I've still got to film the video that I want to upload on my main channel tomorrow as well, because something like mucked up whilst I was filming. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today. I had a lot of fun doing it because this was our last bonfire night here apparently, because apparently they're not doing bonfire night anymore. But we had some fireworks in our back garden tonight, and it was a lot of fun. We had sparklers, we had these wheel ones that went on the fence and they spun around. There's a video of it in my vlog. So like, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Peace out, bye.